string, papers, and stories.
So here's one of my all-time favorite models. I must have taught this to hundreds, if not thousands of people over the many years that I've been doing teaching of origami. Fold in half like a sandwich, open out, and then fold towards the diagonal like this. One side goes into the center diagonal, and the other side comes into. Now leave a little gap between the two, because you're going to have to fold the whole model in half, with all the folds inside. And if you don't leave a gap, it tends to tear. So every fold, just leave a little gap. Now it's like an ice cream cone. I want you to imagine that the yellow is the ice cream and the green's the cone. Lick the ice cream or get it really flat along the top. So now you just have a cone. Fold down the yellow inside. Now take half the top and fold it into the center crease. Again, not quite up to the line. Leave a little gap. Press hard. And then the same with the other side. Fold it in. Like a little dog's ear coming in, leaving a gap between the two of them, and press hard. Now the shape we've got here looks a little bit like a kite, and I want you to imagine there's a cross bar going along this kite, a normal kind of kite shape. There's a cross bar. So fold down again along that crossbar, not too far and not too little, but straight across there, right across. Fold down again, and you have to press really hard. Now the paper's getting thick, going to get thicker still, but press that down really hard. I'm using my nail there. Now you're going to fold it just like you did before, two little dog's ears. One dog ear comes down to meet the center, again leaving a gap. Push it down and press really hard. And do the same on the other side. Pull down and press really hard. We're almost finished now. Leaving the gap between these 2 points. See how there's a little gap there? We're going to fold the whole thing in half now with all the folds inside to make a triangle with a long side up on the back, the short side between my fingers, and the medium side goes onto the table. So here we go. Press really hard and put it down with the long side up in the air, the medium side on the bottom, and the short side between the fingers. And when you let go, something quite amazing happens. Lay it down and it sits for a moment, and then it tips over. Now you can make it go more slowly than that by pressing really hard. So I'll try and make it go a little bit slower now. Not sure I pressed much harder there, but let's try again. So you have to adjust here at this point. If it's going too fast, it means you must press the whole thing flatter, and it will go much slower. There's a spring in the paper. That's going slower. So we'll try again now. Now I try and get it to make it go over about 6 or 8 seconds. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try a different one. See if it's any better. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, that was a good one. So experiment. If it goes over too slowly, open it out and flip the inside things a bit. But have fun with that. Bye now.